This is the introductory video on how to start with Letter Ink, the plugin for Adobe Illustrator. First, let's display the Letter Ink panel. In the menu, select Window, then within the menu, select Extensions, and then select Letter Ink from the list. The Letter Ink panel is displayed. Put it whenever you want. I'll make it visible for now. Next, you'll need the Letter Ink tool. On the tool panel, find the three dots and click on them to open the Extended Tools menu. Within the Tools menu, scroll to the very bottom where you'll find the Letter Ink icon. Drag and drop the icon to place the Letter Ink tool button in the tool panel. Sometimes you need extra effort, as you can see. Having the Letter Ink tool within the tool panel is important because it's needed to manipulate the stroke parameters. When you activate the Letter Ink tool, you'll see the so-called brush imprints. I'll show you how to use them later. Now the last thing to set up, the Letter Ink tool shortcut. In the Illustrator menu, select the Edit menu. Within the Edit menu list, navigate to Keyboard Shortcuts to open Preferences for the keyboard shortcuts. In the Keyboard Shortcuts Preferences window, search for Letter Ink tool to display shortcut option for the tool. Click in the field for the shortcut and press the keys Shift and I at the same time. This will record the keyboard shortcut for the Letter Ink tool. Click OK to confirm the changes. And now you can activate the Letter Ink tool with the keyboard shortcut Shift I. That's all for the basic settings. Now you can start drawing. To draw strokes, use any pen tool and draw the first point of the stroke skeleton. Click on the Letter Ink logo in the panel to apply the stroke on the path and continue drawing. You can also apply the stroke on any path that is already created. When you are done, you can manipulate the path, the stroke skeleton, to polish the shape. And now let's use the Letter Ink tool to edit stroke parameters. Activate Letter Ink tool to display the imprints. You'll see the ellipses on every control point of the skeleton. You can change the size and the rotation of the imprints at any control point individually to achieve pleasing stroke shape. I'll polish the skeleton a little bit more. That's it. And now let me convert the strokes to outlines. Select the stroke and on the Letter Ink panel, click on the icon to convert stroke to outlines. Done. As you can see, the outlines are not messy, but clean, as if you draw them manually. This is the end of this overview tutorial. If you like our tool, please share it with your colleagues. So let it be written, so let it be done.